Good morning, traders. Welcome to our live trading session. Today is Monday. We got new month. Today is 2nd of March. So guys, we're gonna change a little bit in our live trading sessions. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what in a second. Just let me know if you can hear me well, and then we're gonna start our session, okay? It all should be good, but you know. Hello guys. All right, we're gonna have a live trading session for about 1 hour because 10 a.m. we're gonna start another live trading session on our Discord channel. A lot of going on the charts. They are moving, I can say, pretty fast. In the morning, few opportunities. At the moment, we will see. What can we do? 10, good, thank you. So guys, new month. Last week I told you I'm gonna increase risk during our live trading session on this account. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna risk 0.5% now for the trades, probably. Yes, a little bit more. So we're gonna try to make some more profits this month. Okay, so let's start from our microeconomic calendar. You can see right here we got Quintel, AI Quintel. I'm gonna show you how it works. Looking pretty amazing, I can say. Also, you can find some trading opportunities on AI Quintel, which I'm gonna show you right now. In the morning, we had some opportunities, but let's start from microeconomic calendar. I'm gonna click here. We want to see all currencies, or maybe, yeah, all currencies and high impact news. We got some news from Italy. It says high impact, but it shouldn't affect us too much, so we don't worry about those news. The most important news of the day is PMI. PMI, 4 p.m. Later on. It's good timing because we're gonna start our session 2 p.m. So we're gonna have still some time to find some great opportunities. So microeconomic calendar is looking pretty good. No high impact news till 4 p.m. So guys, let's have a look if we can find anything this morning. Before we do that, I want to show you also AI Quintel. You can see we got some currencies, we got some commodities, we got gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and look at this Euro USD. If we're gonna click on here, we got AI Analyze, smart money concept, and also we can check some events coming up and invalidation, trade setup, entry zone, stop loss, take profit. Entry zone was 18,280, and that was in the morning. And look what happened, guys. Look what happened. We had signal this morning from AI. Take profit is still not provided, so we should hold this position. So in the morning, we had some great opportunities, I can say. What else can we do right here? Okay, lead more. Okay, so let's have a look at smart money analysis. We got some other assets as well. If we click on crude oil, you can see some information about this instrument. We can find entry points. But that was all in the morning, so we need to watch. We might have a signal from our AI. Top loss 6, 7. Okay, yeah. So many different ones. Probably on our live trading sessions in the morning, we're gonna go through those signals and we're gonna see how it works. But at the moment, I can say it's working pretty good. In the morning, we had also some informations about gold, where to enter the position, key support, stop loss. So yeah, I'm gonna have a look at AI Kindle because it's nearly finished. So we're gonna use also commitment of traders reports. Maybe today we're gonna look for some opportunities later on. I think 6:30 or 7 we're gonna I think we can do like a short live trading session to find some swing opportunities, guys. But it's gonna be later on, so let's leave it for now. If you got access to AI Kindle, you can have a look how it looks like. I think it's pretty amazing because you got all in one place. You got some market news, we got some central banks news. You can read some more if you like. So yeah, it's pretty amazing, guys. Okay, so let's check our charts, guys. Today you can see the price since morning. DXY, so US dollar index, is getting stronger. It's all because of the situation in the world. You know, there's a lot of going on in Iran, so that also affect markets, crude oil, commodities, many other stuff. So gold probably, I'm in long position since morning, so I re-enter, guys, because in the morning, early morning, I can say, I was entering position just after the open of the day for long, but they came back and I hit stop loss and I re-enter the position and I'm still holding. So my take profit is pretty much high. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm expecting gold to get stronger. So if we're gonna look for any opportunities on gold, probably we're gonna look for some long positions. But before we do that, we need to check also our all-in ASAP targets. Okay, so we're gonna start from that, and later we're gonna check smart money concept setups. All right, so let me just open MT4 platform. Okay. Let me just clear everything. List all, remove. Okay. Let's have a look if we got any standard targets first. 1 hour time frame. We got one, but you know, we are going opposite direction, so it doesn't matter for me. Let's check again. Okay, we got some current targets. You can see it's right here. We need to be careful because you can see, guys, the price is dropping down and they can drop for whole day. Okay, so we need to be careful if we want to open any long positions. You know, it might be a little bit risky. I know we got some gap right here. You can see the price open today with the gap, so you're on every single asset basically, and this gap is pretty big because it's around 47, nearly 50 pips. Hello, guys. So let's have a look at 1 hour time frame. I want to see what's going on euro from higher time frame. Here we had some channel and we got some breakout through that channel. You can see nice breakout. There was breakout and retest basically. Now we are on the way up. So where can we get? Where can we stop? Where they might be heading to? We need to find out. I'm gonna go to 4 hour time frame. Okay, we got some imbalances zone right here. We might expect some kind of reaction. We will see. And lower also we got some imbalances. I'm gonna mark some liquidity zones. This one here, this is sell side liquidity. Because a little bit lower, you can see we got some imbalance. So if we're gonna find some other confirmations, maybe this area will be good for some long position. Not like reversal, but we can probably get few pips from this trade, but we need some more confirmations, of course. Let me just switch to 1 hour time frame. I want to see what's going on in this place right here. Let's go for volume profile. This is a little bit low, and it's not the best point of control because I cannot see any activity of buyers in this place. We had range, and probably this point of control is here because of this range. All right. So yeah, we're gonna look for something different. So I don't have any confirmations right here, unless we're gonna count, imbalance. This one here, we can basically mark that imbalance on the chart. Why not? Because it's in liquidity zone, and we can probably expect some kind of reaction. Okay. Settings. All right, we're gonna change that. Okay, this is imbalance from 4-hour time frame. These imbalances from higher time frames, they are working pretty well, but I don't expect that the price will close it in full. Usually we can expect, a reaction somewhere in half of this imbalance. So, this is some liquid zone. So probably we can use it. We got some kind of point of control in here. We will see. I'm gonna mark that. I want to check if we're gonna have any reaction right here. So let's leave it. Maybe we're gonna be able to use our target, which is somewhere here. But in days like this, be careful, guys, because we might not come back to this target, okay? I know we got nice statistics because we got 87% chances that the price will come back here today. But because of the situation in the world, we are dropping down all since morning, so they can go even lower. Okay, for us, it's hard to make any decision right now. For continuation, probably not. Only thing we can look for is some place for reaction, and we can try to catch few pips. Okay, but remember, this pullback can be like not too big, something like this, and we might see some continuation. So maybe we can get a little bit, a small piece from this cake. We'll see. Okay. So how far are we from this place here? 22 pips, 42.56. Okay. I want to check if we got any other confirmations here. We can look for volume levels. So let's put that on. Volume edge. All right. So do we have anything down the bottom? No informations. All the volume levels are higher, so we cannot do anything right now. Indicators list. Let's remove it. So basically, guys, in these areas, this one here and this one here, 3 zones. First, second, and the third one, I'm gonna look for small reversal. Okay, maybe not reversal, but reaction, I can say. All right, so I'm gonna look for reaction, and we got few options. Hello, guys. We got few options. We can jump into 5 minutes time frame. Of course, we can try to find some trend line, but at this moment the price is dropping down too fast. So any kind of trend line like this, it doesn't make sense for me. Okay, it doesn't make sense. So maybe if we're gonna have some pullback, nice swing, then we can add the trend line. But at this moment, no. So if we're gonna reach first, second, or third zone right here, we're gonna look for a specific situation. First of all, we can check if we're gonna have some strong reaction of buyers with some imbalance, fail swing, and after the fail swing, we can try to go up. Not like this, but small reaction. Maybe 1 to 2 risk to reward we can get from this trade. So we can look for fail swing, or we can jump to volume footprint, and we can try to find one of our patterns for reversal in the zone. So we can look at the volume footprint. If the price will get here, we can try to find the place to enter the trade using volume footprint. At this moment, nothing special. Okay, so I'm looking for reaction in specific area. If we're gonna have a reaction right now, it doesn't matter. Probably I will leave it. Okay, I know we entered the liquid zone from Asian session. We can have a look at that. Yeah, we are in liquidity zone from Asian session. So, you know, guys, a simple setup, and then we can go a little bit higher. We may use it, but I would like to see the price to drop a little bit lower, okay? From here, we can try to look for the trade to go up, maybe to our target, 17588. 17588. 588. Okay. Style. And this is targets. All right. So yeah, I would like to see also some swing, because if we're gonna get to this area, it would be nice to draw some trend line, and after the breakout, you know, might have a chance to get to this target. So yeah, we're gonna watch this trade, but not from here. If we're gonna reverse now, for me, probably not. Not the best place to enter the trade, but from the first zone, second, or the third one, yes. Okay. I'm gonna save the screenshot for now. And this is Euro USD. Okay, so we're gonna come back to this one. GBP also, it's looking pretty good, and I think it's similar to Euro USD. And let me just show you, but on GBP USD, the situation is a little bit different and more comfortable, I think, because if you look at higher time frame, you can see the price is moving in some kind of rotation channel. We had nice reactions from the top, very nice reactions, some overshoot and reaction. We got some undershoot here as well. I think this rotation channel is working pretty well, but we're gonna check a little bit lower. Okay, so I'm gonna add additional line a little bit lower, because if we won't have any reaction here, probably we're gonna have it here. Okay, I'm not sure, you know, I'm gonna leave it just for observation, but it can help us later. So just for observation, I'm gonna change it maybe for something like this. Okay. Okay, here we got some liquidity zone. We might want to use it right here. We are about to enter this area, so we can expect reaction. We'll see. This is sell side liquidity. Okay, and a little bit lower, we got another zone right here. Okay, so two zones. Lower, I know we got nice area here, but this is a little bit low. But, you know, anything can happen. I'm not saying we're not gonna get here. because we are moving in some kind of rotation channel, it doesn't mean they cannot go lower. Okay, there is a chance we're gonna bounce from here, and we can try to catch that, but we need some trigger. Okay, so I need some buyers and some other confirmations. So, okay, so this is 1 hour time frame. We can remove that. Remove. Okay, so we got one zone here. We are about to enter this zone, and this zone is, I think, in my opinion, quite interesting, because we're gonna grab some liquidity, and this is bottom of rotation channel. So we can look for some kind of reversal. Okay, let's check if we got volume levels on GBP. No, no volume levels under the price. Let's jump into 5 minutes time frame. Here it's a little bit better because we got swing, so we can add right now, let's say, line like this, some kind of trend line. Okay, and we can look for the breakout of this trend line. So we're entering the liquid zone, so we should have some stronger reaction of buyers. If not, we're gonna look for another zone down here. Okay, so we will see what's gonna happen, if we're gonna have any reaction, and we also gonna look for maybe fail swing. The best if we're gonna have some breakout, maybe you're gonna be able to use the target, which is right here. So this area is pretty much interesting. We got gap, but guys, do not focus on that gap. They don't need to close it today. Okay, they might close it, but don't try to focus on the gap. Okay, because they can close it tomorrow or next week. Okay, so I'm gonna add this target. This is 34133. One double three, and this is the target. Okay, we're gonna try to use it. We enter liquid zone from Asian session. We are getting close to the bottom edge of rotation channel and some liquid zone. At the moment, I cannot see any buyers. Like I said, guys, today be careful because we can, the price can drop all day long. So yeah, that's the one option. I'm gonna save it. Okay, and I have something like this. We can try to get to that target, but also we can look something for continuation. Okay, because if US dollar index is getting stronger, we might see British pound and euro going down. So I'm gonna remove that for now. Remove this trend line, and let's have a look at this whole impulse right here. There was a reaction here already, this one, but this can be nice area. And it's before the target, okay? Before the target. We'll see where we're gonna stop, but this is looking pretty good. We got some nice imbalance. This is nice zone, and if it's gonna stay like this, we got also 50% of this whole impulse. So this also can be nice area for shorts, but we need to wait and see if anything's gonna happen here or here. Okay, if not, we might see something like this. So we're gonna take it easy. Okay. Looking, how is my gold? The gold stopped. Okay. Gold stopped. Guys, because of the what's happening in the world right now, I'm expecting gold to get stronger. Okay, so this is all-time high, level $5,600, something like this. So we can mark that on the chart because probably we are heading to this high. So yeah, it's ATH. Top. Okay, how far are we? Around 1,800 pips. Not that far, guys. Not that far. We got some gap left behind, but that's okay. That is okay. This imbalance, I think it's done, okay? Because the price came back 50% done. So don't worry about that. Let's have a look at this impulse, whole impulse right here. This is interesting area because this is a gap from the morning, but I'm not expecting the price will drop here today. All right. Anything can happen, of course. We might get there, but for me, it's better to look for some long opportunities. Right here in the morning, there was nice zone and the reaction was perfect. Right here, you can see go up. But that was in the morning, so let's remove that and let's check another impulse, this one here. This is nice, but it's a little bit low. It's a little bit low. Let's have a look. This is 61.8 from this impulse, so I'm gonna mark that. Maybe later, if the price will drop here, this can be nice area to enter long position. We'll see. Anything right here? Not really. This is 38. Maybe this on 38.2 because this is some kind of support resistance zone, guys. And also this is 38.2 and we got nice gap right here. This can be quite interesting. If we're gonna have volume level, we can try set pending order in this place, okay? So gold, let's have a look. Vitold, yes. Yes, if the price will come back and close, I can say 1/3 of imbalance, we can say it's done, but 50% for sure. Because even if you look at US dollar index many times from higher time frames, the price getting to 50% and they never coming back. Maybe, you know, in the future, but 50%, yeah. If the price close 50% of imbalance, we can say imbalance is done. It's settled, okay? All right, so do we have anything? Gold? No. This is a little bit low. No. Where is this? Lower time frame. What level is that? 8516. Let me just have a look. Where is my take profit? 885. 8.5. Yeah, my take profit is a little bit higher, 250 pips more. Okay, maybe I will have to move it. All right, don't worry. Yeah, we don't have any volume level in the area where I would like to see it. So right here. I would like to see volume level in this area, but okay. 38.2. No, I will leave it. I'm not gonna set pending order in this place. It's looking good, but I would like to have another confirmation. I'm setting very small stop losses for this kind of trade, so I'm gonna leave it. And maybe if the price will drop and we're gonna have some reaction, we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna remove it for now. Here we got some kind of range right now. Oh, come on. We got some kind of range, so we can use it also, because if we got this kind of range, we can see the price drop down and then go up. So this can be really good place for order. We'll see. We're gonna wait for that. Maybe we're gonna jump into 1 minute time frame, and after reaction, we're gonna try to enter from 1 minute time frame. So yeah, I'm gonna watch that. Nice range. And this is also nice. Nice area for us. Okay, I think we got also some kind of target on gold. Let me just change the hours. 9 a.m. Okay. Yeah, we got target down here. But also I would take it easy, guys, probably. At the moment, I can add trend line like this, but we got some support zone here, and if the price will come back down, we might bounce and go up. After the breakout, we can basically look for the trade, but if you're gonna set your take profit, try to do it a little bit higher, because we got volume level up here. Okay, so maybe take profit few pips less, but so if we're gonna break through, we're gonna wait for retest, maybe this support resistance zone, and after nice reaction, we might have a chance to get here. Stop loss 1 to 2, risk to reward ratio. Remember about this volume level, yeah? It's at level 5331.74. Okay. But also I will look for long position. So this is the first option from this area, and this is the second option, long and short. So we'll check that later. This is gold. All right. So we got another plan. Also, we can look for crude oil, guys. Crude oil, because crude oil, it's affected by the situation in the world as well. For our time frame, you can see, guys, we were moving in some kind of rotation channel, okay? And look what happened. The price just jumped out from this rotation channel. So this doesn't work anymore. For our time frame. So where are we going to? Okay, and probably a little bit higher. So yeah, guys, we got some target from all-in ASAP strategy is looking pretty good. You can see the price was moving, since morning up. We can add the trend line. And we can wait for the breakout of this trend line, and then we might have a chance to go down. We are quite far because this is 256 pips. That's a lot, guys. Okay, 250 pips is a lot. 700. Oh, look, guys, at this gap. The gap in the morning was for 720 pips. Gap for 720 pips, guys. Imagine right now if you are in short position and your stop loss right here, and the market is opening right there. Crazy. Crazy, guys. So yeah, we got some gap down the bottom, but we don't need to come back here today. Remember that. Let's have a look at the trading view. Let's remove that. Okay. No, this is done. Nothing special right here. Guys, only thing we can do, but I think it's a little bit too risky because I know we got some target right here. 6948. Copy, paste. And this is target. It is nice. And we can try to use it. Probably, I will try to use this target if we're gonna break through this trend line. I'm gonna look for some short position, but with lower risk, okay? I'm gonna lower my risk because I think we're gonna go higher on crude oil. I think we're gonna go up with gold. So be careful, guys. Gold, yeah, probably something like this. We can try to use that. I know we got plenty of targets, guys, but be careful today, okay? Be careful with those targets. We'll see. If we're gonna break through, we may look for some short opportunity. Let me just save the plan. Crude oil. So if we're gonna break through, we can try to look for this kind of trade. 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay. After 1 to 1, break even for sure. The only thing is they might drop straight away because sometimes on crude oil, they are not retesting the trend lines. They just breaking through and then drop. Let's have a look at volume footprint. Maybe it will help us to make the right decision. To be honest, we're supposed to open the trade here using volume footprint to go down, but it's too late now. Volume footprint is working very good, especially if you know where to look for the trades in the specific areas. It's working great. You might have very nice entry into the position, but you need to watch the charts all the time, let's say. Because if the price will enter the specific area, you need to look for the candle. And right here, it's like since 8 hour and 30 minutes watching the candles. We'll see. Let's leave it for now. We are breaking through, so we might have a chance to open the trade soon. Let's wait. I want to also check this crude oil, if we got any volume levels. Volume edge. Okay, we got one here before the target, so we need to be aware of this volume level. You can see they stopped. Okay, this candle was looking good, but you can see the trend line is working. Let's make it right. Yeah, you can see the price stopped just at the at the trend line. So not yet, for sure. It's too early to enter the trade. Let's have a look at euro. Not yet. And GBP. We nearly got to the second area. Nearly. We got reaction right now. Nice reaction. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. We're gonna have a look if we're gonna break through this current trend line, something like this. I think we're gonna go a little bit lower, maybe to this area, but we'll see. We stopped at the bottom of rotation channel right here. Yeah, look at this guy. This is 4-hour time frame, and we got some imbalance right here. And look at this reaction. This is 50% of the imbalance. And look, the price got to 50% and there is a reaction. So yeah, 50%, especially on US dollar index, is working pretty well. I also had the strategy for those kind of imbalances, but not on DXY. The same is happening on Euro USD. So when you watch DXY, you can expect reaction on Euro. Let me just show you. Well, we got Euro. This is 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's say 1 hour time frame. Okay. See, we got reaction for about 10, 15 pips. Okay, let's leave it. And we're gonna check Euro because maybe we're gonna have a chance to enter the trade. We got nice reaction, but probably I will choose British pound because I got nice trend line here. So a few more minutes, we will see. Let's check out at gold. Look, the price went through this range and we got reaction. For me, it would be much better to enter this area and then go up. Okay. But they might go straight up from here. Why not? Check volume footprint. Five minutes. No. Nothing special going on here. Not yet. They might go a little bit lower. Maybe to this area what I marked on the chart. We'll see. Gonna have strong reaction. We might look for the trade. GBP, Euro. Nice reaction, guys. Bullish reaction, but it doesn't mean that we're gonna go up now. Okay. You can see we had nice candle. This one is a little bit bigger. Nice candle here as well, and the reverse we might get here, and the reverse, this is some kind of support resistance zone. So maybe we're gonna bounce from here and we're gonna go lower. So we're gonna take it easy, okay? If we're gonna break through, we can look for the trade to go up, but easy. Nice imbalance. Okay, the price is going up. Good, good, good. We got some support resistance zone right here. So this can be the zone which can be retested, okay? If we're gonna break through, we don't need to see retest of the trend line. We can see retest of this support zone. And then enter the trade to the target. So it's looking good for now. Slowly, slowly going up. 27 pips, good. And crude oil is still hanging there at the trend line. This zone on gold is very attractive, but not sure. I think we're gonna go higher from here. Okay, what's going on USD CAD? Guess we got some kind of double top or equal highs. Doesn't matter. Got some equal highs. And the price is dropping. We got some Asian session liquidity, and we can see the price entered that area and got nice strong reaction. But our trend line is pretty much low. So after the breakout, we're gonna be halfway. We're gonna be in the middle of the box. In this case, we still got chance to go down, but I prefer to, enter the trade somewhere from this area. And at the moment, I cannot do that because I need some more confirmations. It's looking good, but probably I will stick to GBP USD because we are not too far from the breakout. So this can be good. So yeah, British pound is looking good, and crude oil, we're gonna see if we're gonna break through because now they stopped. Remember, guys, take it easy on Monday, no rush, look for the good setup, okay? Don't try to enter every single setup, wait for the good one. You can make few different plans and pick one which is working the best for you, and that will give you the biggest profit, guys. Did you place any trades today so far or not yet? Good. We are about to break it through. I don't think they're gonna have, you know, enough strength to go down. We'll see. The price stopped, so it doesn't look too good for me. But GBP is breaking through. Good. We got this area. We need to break through also. Let's have a look at this impulse because, you know, we are in bearish market structure at this moment. And there is a chance that, you know, the price can stop here, here, and drop down. So we need to be careful. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna have another live trading session in about 9 minutes time on our Discord channel. So if I'm not gonna finish, we can switch to Discord. And later on, there is another session. So I'm gonna look for GBP USD for sure to enter this trade. Get to the target. Gold is also looking good, but let them drop a little bit lower, somewhere here. This area is also pretty good. It's a bit low, but can be very nice. So one of these. Target from 17th. Okay, maybe yes. It was somewhere here, right? From the 17th. Probably yes. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna check another trend line like this, maybe. Don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. Just for observation, guys. So yeah, no rush, guys. GBP USD, it's breaking through. So this one is looking good. We're gonna look for this trade for sure. Crude oil, probably not. But yeah, British pound is looking pretty good, I can say. We might have a chance soon to enter the trade. I'm gonna check volume footprint. What's going on? 27. Okay, let's guys have a look if we got anything from AI Kintel. Dashboard. Stop loss, market structure, bearish. No, it doesn't say nothing about long positions. Doesn't say nothing. We'll see if we're gonna stop here or not. Here or not. So let's see if we're gonna have a breakout and we're gonna look for this kind of situation. So I want to check the impulse. Right here, yeah. Yeah, but we need to break through. At the moment they stopped. They stopped also on exponential moving average, guys. So easy. Because if we're gonna enter the position now, there is a chance the price will drop. So just be careful, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna look for this trade GBP USD. Crude oil, maybe yes. If we're gonna go a little bit higher, then gonna try to break through again. I will try to enter the trade. And gold, this area or this one, after reaction, we can look for some long positions. So for now, I will just watch the market. You know, it's Monday, so easy. Let's say what they want to do. It's still early, so we might have better opportunities later on, but we will see. Guys, we're gonna move to the Discord in a minute, so I'm gonna give you like 4 minutes. You're gonna have probably 4 minutes time. You can switch to the Discord channel, and we're gonna see each other on at 2 p.m. today. 2 p.m. another live trading session. So watch for those trades because this is looking pretty good, but we just need to wait for the right moment to enter the position. So, you know, that's it, guys. All right, guys, that's it for now. We're gonna switch to Discord and we're gonna continue with Tomek. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for today, and I wish you all the best and, of course, a lot of profits. And I will see you later, guys. Take care.